Here we have Elrond, symbol EGLD versus the dollar. And I wanted to follow up on yesterday as we get the continuation targets that we looked for. I believe I had a target somewhere around about 240, and we've not just hit that, we've exceeded it by a $3, which is good. Anyways, momentum oscillators, as far as they are right now, did confirm the hidden bullish divergence. We did hit the easy targets on this one. If it does continue on from here with any sort of a closure above 250, I would target the prior highs in this case, somewhere around about 280. Of course, it's not financial advisor, not a financial advisor, but we do see that daily jewels kind of coming into a bit of area of support. And then more importantly, BBWP is still expanding here overall after putting in a higher low on declining volatility. So you want to see your, if you are within the context of an uptrend, you want to see your higher lows being put in on declining. Sorry. Very unprofessional. Very unprofessional. I also talk about dildos on the fucking internet, and somehow 90,000 people are almost subscribed to this channel. Hey, by the way, like and subscribe and herp your derp. Just kidding. You don't need to fucking do that. Anyways, looking at this right here. Yeah. So look, when we do see something like this where it puts in a higher low within the context of an uptrend, obviously, on declining volatility, and then volatility starts to increase as we do work out of that higher low alongside momentum oscillator supporting that. That is typically a good sign. And, you know, if I had to call it right now, it probably does reach back up somewhere around about 280 to 285 or so. This is a pretty good chart long term and definitely stands out in the grand scheme of things. We can see that we did have a weekly correction all the way down to the 10 simple. That's what you expect in your strong assets. That's where they typically correct down to. And this is just a generally long-term good chart that we see over here as well, going back to July 2019, works off of the higher lows, and that's always welcomed. Anyways, as far as monthly goes, because we are coming into the end of September right here, any sort of a monthly closure, basically here or higher, is going to very likely imply new all-time highs into November, or not November, October is the next month, yeah. And then 4 hour is continuation. Man, this thing's fucking strong. What the hell? Hourly is continuation. Short term, I'd be looking for this one to make a move somewhere around about 255 to 260-ish region, then probably a short-term pullback from there. Do not confuse short-term pullback with a reversal. Just probably puts another higher low in the short-term time. Maybe we can come up with some areas of interest to the upside coming into maybe November. Not fucking November, October. Anyways, oh, by the way, completely missed this yesterday, but what do we have here? A nice little trend line marking off the lows from July. Oh, that was this low right here, and perhaps even this low right here. If we do close above 260 today, that'll be confirmed. My experimental indicator has given a fresh signal that probably does happen, actually, which is good. At least for the BULAs. Anyways, so where would I invalidate this whole idea? Well, a daily closure back down below 215 would do it for me. This would all be invalidated and all be completely irrelevant. But for right now, let's see where we can plot off some areas of interest long term. Let's see. Oh, I guess I already have it in there. Oh, what do you know? We put in our current highs right around the 1.618 extension. That's rather interesting. After that, Jesus fucking Christ. Look, I'm not going to say these targets over here. You can say them. That would be very long term though, not happening today or tomorrow or even this week or next week or even this month or probably even next month, but maybe around end of year. This would be pretty damn good. Again, I'd really want to see the monthly closure first, but the setup is there, and a powerful chart, very powerful chart. So there you go for Elrond. Not bad.